So big corporates who want to come to hedge, they are not able to find a strong counterparty. But in pricing terms, our exchanges are as good as international exchanges. And if somebody wants to use international exchanges, they have a currency risk exposure. Whereas when you are hedging on Indian exchanges, you don't have that currency risk exposure.
Now regarding warehouse receipt funding, the producers are getting same facility what was available to traders earlier?
Yes. Earlier, the traders were the one who were buying the goods and it was leaving the producer's hand immediately after the harvest. And then these traders or intermediaries were holding it. So first they were buying very cheap from the producers and later on holding it and selling in the off season to the consumers at a higher price. And therefore they were able to benefit from this seasonality and by holding cost. Now if the farmer comes to the commodity exchange and he finds that future price is higher, he is able to deposit the goods in warehouse and then he takes this warehouse receipt against the future sale on the exchange. He goes to the bank. Now there is no risk for the bank because the quality risk and quantity risk is being managed by the Central Warehousing Corporation or the warehouses which are registered with the exchange. And price risk is being managed on the exchange. Therefore, the lender, the bank, has no risk exposure. And he is able to give higher future price, he is able to capture. Now, if the market sometimes goes in backwardation, the farmer is not obligated to give the delivery to the exchange. He can buy back the futures position on the exchange. He can, by paying the money to the bank, he can take warehouse receipt and sell to somebody else. Therefore, he is taking benefit of Badla and he is also taking benefit of Ulta Badla. And this way, what the traders were able to do, even the farmers and producers are able to capture now with the help of the commodity exchange and warehouse receipt funding.
What are the opportunities in the future market?
The opportunity in futures market are varied, many, and they have different objectives for different participants. If the participant is the producer, it gives him an opportunity to lock his future price before the production. So farmer is not at the mercy of somebody else to decide the price. The price has already been locked for him. Similarly, for any reason, if the commodity prices drop, they have the opportunity, the user industry, to buy at the future price. Now, one thing they can do is that in exchange you just pay 4 to 5% margin money. And you can have the benefit of buying as if you had the right to buy 100%. So you are able to leverage 20 to 25 times, and this way the user industry, the processor industry benefit because their capital requirement, working capital requirement becomes 20 to 25 times less.